let's talk about the difference between an essential oil and a carrier oil. Welcome back to Natural Hair Care 101. My name is Jamila, and this week's topic is all about scalp care. So today we're going to talk about the key differences between an essential oil and a carrier oil, and which ones are best for your scalp. So make sure you pay attention because there will be a quiz towards the end. So what are essential oils? Essential oils are highly concentrated plant extracts that contain the natural properties of the plant in a super concentrated form. They're usually used in scalp care to target specific scalp concerns such as blood circulation, inflammation, or irritation, and definitely play a major role when it comes to your scalp health. And the essential oils that are mostly used in scalp care are rosemary, peppermint, lavender, and tea tree. But keep in mind, these are pure plant extracts. So because of how concentrated they are, these are oils that should never be directly applied to your scalp. This would cause things like scalp irritation, dryness, or even chemical burns. So in order to effectively use an essential oil, they need to be diluted in a carrier oil. So what is a carrier oil? Carrier oils are plant-based oils that are used to dilute essential oils, and they also help with transporting them to the scalp. Essential oils are essentially what you want to use to enhance your scalp care, and the carrier oils will just be how they get there. Carrier oils are also used for oil infusions, which is basically the process of using dried herbs or plants and letting them steep in the oil to extract the benefits of that plant or herb. They do have benefits of their own, such as moisturizing, nourishing, and protecting the scalp and the hair. These are the oils that help with retaining moisture, especially along the length of the hair, and with also protecting your hair from environmental factors. So the best carrier oils when it comes to scalp care are jojoba oil, because it's very similar to the natural oils that our scalp produces. So when you apply it, your scalp recognizes it as something that it's already producing, so it doesn't overproduce. So this is amazing if your hair tends to get greasy, or even if you have dry hair. It's non-greasy and non-clogging, and definitely top one when it comes to scalp care. You also have castor oil. Castor oil is pretty thick, but it is amazing for blood circulation, and we learned that blood circulation is key to hair growth. So amazing moisturizing properties. If it's too thick for your hair, you can dilute it with a lighter oil like jojoba oil to facilitate the absorption. Grapeseed and argan oil are also really good. Very lightweight and can help with scalp dryness. Olive oil is also amazing because of the anti-inflammatory properties, and this is the oil that's also mostly used when it comes to oil infusions. Coconut oil is great for anyone who's looking to treat scalp conditions like dandruff or fungal issues, so this could be best used as a hot oil treatment. And another one of my favorites, pumpkin seed oil. It's rich in zinc, which is a key vitamin for healthy hair growth, and it also has DHT blockers, which is amazing if you've been experiencing hair loss that is related to hormonal changes like menopause. It's amazing for hair thinning and scalp inflammation, so this is definitely something you want to add to your scalp care routine to help with creating new hair growth. So yeah, great carrier oils, but if you really want to upgrade your scalp care, add some essential oils. And this will give you the perfect combination of moisture retention, blood circulation, or whatever benefit that very potent essential oil provides. Alrighty, so for today's activity, you'll be answering 3 questions. Number 1, which one of these oils will be best to dilute this essential oil? Is it A, B, or C? Pause the screen if you need to. Number 2, which one of these oils is mostly similar to your scalp's natural oils? Is it A, B, or C? Number 3, which one of these oils is not a carrier oil? Is it A, B, or C? Make sure to leave your answers in the comments, and I will see you in our next class.